Hey guys, welcome to Nurture Tech Academy. My name is Azim Ahmed, and in this tutorial video I'm going to let you know about the layout option in MS Outlook. See, this is the basically layouts of your Outlook account. Once you click on any email which you have received, you can see probably the preview of the same, but you can change the layout of your own MS Outlook account. To do that, just click on View tab and see, this is the group of layout where you can see the option is called Reading Pane. If you click and select the bottom, see, by default it's taken by right. If you click on bottom, the Reading Pane will change the layout of your inbox email. If you click any one of them, you can see the preview below of that email. Now if you wanted to remove it, just click on reading and just click on off, so you will get only emails you can see in your inbox, not preview. But if you wanted to check that email, you have to do double click on any email. See, if I click there, I'll get the email in my new window. Okay guys, so this is the Reading Pane preview. From this if you wanted to delete any account, there are two ways to delete it. One, select it and click on this delete buttons. Otherwise you also get this cross button in each and every emails, right? So you can delete any email one by one, or if you wanted to delete more than one email from your Outlook account, you can select it with the shift with down arrow key like this, and just click on this delete buttons. All the emails will be deleted. If you want to delete like one by one, you can select those emails with the help of like holding the control keys, and just click with mouse and select your emails, and just do one thing. You can just click on delete options, right, and see, all the emails will be deleted. So guys, this is the way you can use your layout option in Outlook. So guys, hope you enjoy this video. Do like and subscribe our channel, and stay tuned with Nurture Tech Academy, and see you soon on next video. Thank you.